Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. Welcome. If you're not new, hi guys, how have you guys been? So today we're doing like a green, like a smoky green kind of look I'm trying to go for. So let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna start off with foundation. I'm using a Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula in the shade DPW2. I like how I have like a huge wand on it. As you guys know, it's not my perfect shade because my skin is very neutral. So anything that's yellow or orange, it's going to be like super yellow or super orange on me. So just keep that in mind. If you guys missed the video, I got this at, I think, TJ Maxx. And it was only like $4. So even though it's not my perfect shade, I still wear it because it was cheap. But Physicians Formula, if you want to sponsor me, you could do that. I wouldn't mind. I like how light this foundation is. I have a pimple coming in. I like how easy it is to apply this foundation. Like, it's super lightweight. Like, it doesn't even feel like I have anything on. And the match isn't too bad, so. Like, it looks good. Like, it matches pretty good. Alright. I should put on some setting powder, but I'm not going to because I'm not leaving the house, so. I mean, but if you want like a more matte look, definitely do that. This is more like a natural matte. It looks really nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go on with eyeshadow. Today we're using some new products. This is the Smoky Green number 122 by Burberry, and it's their eye contour stick. So I'm gonna start off with this. Ooh. Ooh, I like how creamy it is. So easy to apply. My mirror's kind of far away. Wow. Let me do the other eye. Wow. I need to get some more Burberry products because, yes. I actually have a couple more Burberry products that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to start off like that. I know it's not even, but we're going to blend it out. Now, I don't know if I should use eyeshadow brush to blend it out or my finger, but I'm gonna try the eyeshadow brush. I'm not used to working with cream eyeshadows, so let's just use this. And this is really just gonna be the base because I'm going to go in with a green eyeshadow after. So this is really just the base, but it's beautiful on its own. It's really pretty. It's kind of hard to blend with a brush though. Let me try my finger. I think it's a little easier with my finger. But it feels like it dries down, which is interesting. I wonder if this is like smudge proof or something, because like it dries down. Let me read the packaging. Where is it? It doesn't really say. It just says Smoke and Sculpt Pen. This is what the packaging looks like. Super pretty and like luxury. It's nice. Like I said, it's just a base, so I'm not like too worried about it. You guys know I bring my eyeshadow higher because I have hooded eyes. Okay, let's go on with the eyeshadow. on top of it. Today I'm going to be using a new palette that I have not used on my channel yet. It's by Cara Beauty. It's called Bright and Brilliant Glam Makeup. Oh, so this one's called Make a Statement. Look how pretty this packaging is. And I have 3 more eyeshadow palettes from this line, but this is the colors that it shows in the back. I'm going with that green right there. Oh, so pretty. It's brand new. And it opens like a book. How cute. Ooh, and it has the big mirror. Look at that. How pretty. But we're gonna go with the olive green. I'm gonna get a different brush. I'm gonna use the Morphe Extra Freestar and the JS5 brush. And it's going in with this olive green color down here. I kind of like this emerald green that the stick is by itself. I'm gonna try this olive green and see how it looks. Yeah, once the stick sets, is set. So we're kind of quick with it. Blending it into my crease. I'm avoiding the outer corner because I'm going to put a darker shade. Let me go in with Slay in this palette. It's like the same shade as like the stick is. I'm just going to take my finger. Oh yeah. I'm focusing that more on the inner corner. That's pretty. Other side. That's pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I like that. I really need a dark brown. And there's not one in this palette. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna find a palette that has a dark brown. Maybe this one does. This is another new palette that I have. I just want to see if it has a dark brown. And it does. How pretty. Look at this palette, you guys. I'm going with this dark brown right here for my outer corner. And it has a little mirror, so that's perfect. Ooh, and it's pigmented. I'm gonna drag it up a little bit, but not too much. That's really pretty. That's pretty. I keep saying that's pretty. Do the other side. Drag it up a little bit. What do you think about this? I know it looks kind of crazy right now. Ooh, they even have a green shade in here also. I'm just piling on the green. Let's put some more green. Oh yes, auntie, that's so pretty. And let me tell you the name of this palette so you guys can find it. I will leave a link, but I literally don't know where to buy this palette at. Because I buy from this girl on Facebook. And this is one of the palettes I chose. So this one is by Tin Coco. It's called Shining Charms, and it's a verified color pressed pigment palette. That's what it looks like. If you screenshot that and try to find it, Like I said, I don't know where to buy it. That's okay. And then we're gonna use a color eyeliner today, which is interesting. This is in the shade Pale Grape, and it's by Burberry also. I don't know how it's gonna. Oh, I don't want to get eyeshadow all over my face. Hopefully it shows up. Oh yeah, it shows up. Ooh, Burberry products are really nice. Looks basically almost black. It is purple. Ooh. Maybe wait for my eye to refocus. Got blurry. You guys know I pull my eye when I do my eyeliner, but you really shouldn't. But I do. This is a habit I picked up when I was in high school. I like it. Super pretty. Alright. That's really pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. Let me go in with my Huda eyeliner if I can find it. Here it is. This is the Huda eyeliner. I don't know the name of it, but let me show you guys it. And one side has a pencil and the other side has a liner. I'm using the liner side just so I can do my wing. I'm not going to go over that purple I just did. That's one side. I'm so bad at eyeliner, you guys. I can already tell my eyeliners are gonna be different wings because I'm not good at matching them. Maybe try to. Yeah, they don't match. I don't know if I want to keep the purple. I think I might go over it because I want dark. Just to go over the purple a little bit. It's kind of like there's no point doing the purple. Just a little bit. So that's what we're looking like. I'm gonna do my brows real quick off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my brows are done, I'm gonna go back in with that green from this palette right here. I lowered the... Oh, I gotta use like, gotta be more. And then I'm going with a brighter green called Obsessed right here. I'm gonna use my pinky finger. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting it to be that bright. gradient look. That's so pretty. That's so pretty, you guys. Lord. Okay. Do I want a little bit glitter? Because they have this glitter in the palette. It's like a yellow. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if it's... Oh yeah. That's worth it. That's everything. I'm just tapping it in the center, going upwards. Wow. Wow. That's what I keep going, wow. And then I'm going with this bronze shade in the palette. I think it's a bronze bronzer. I'm gonna use that to go under my brow bone a little bit. Just like my skin tone. Wow, that's so pretty. Now we need mascara. I'll do my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that mascara is done, I used the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. I do double layers. Now we're going in with lips. This is Oxblood by Burberry. So that's what it looks like. It's brand new, so I don't know what it's gonna look like on. Ooh, it's like nice. Ooh, I like this. Feels like velvet. So that's the lips, and then we're gonna do blush. For blush, I'm just gonna go in with this orange and mix it with this shade right here. I gotta go fast. My phone is running out of space. Okay, now that we have blush, we're gonna go in with highlight. Same palette right here. And this is the look, you guys. Let me know what you think. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you enjoy makeup videos and stuff like that. This is the final look. I think it came out really pretty. Something different for me. And I love this. I love this lipstick. It's like so soft and not drying. It feels so soft. Alright. I love you guys. Bye.